This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Great community located a short distance to the beach, shops and great restaurants. This home boasts new luxury vinyl flooring downstairs, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, updated kitchen with large breakfast bar, first floor bedroom with full bath, Four Seasons room overlooking private backyard. Upstairs boasts a huge primary bedroom with ensuite bath boasting a jetted tub and separate shower, walk-in closet plus additional closet and vaulted ceilings. Third bedroom has ensuite bath and office area. Complex amenities include a pool, green space, grounds maintenance, and trash pickup. For more information, review the details below.